You've been dressing up as Madea for 20 years. Did you have any idea this character would turn into this empire? You know, Madea built this whole damn empire.
Built a whole lot of it. I tell you, the thing about it is, when I first started doing it, I just thought, I'm just going to do this one play, my mother, my aunt, who the funniest women I know, I'm going to mimic them and do the best I can. And listen, they were hood. My aunt's from Houston. I got my mother from rural Louisiana. I mean, they were country and hood and funny, right?
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm just going to do this for a little bit, and then I'm done, and then I'm out. And the first week I was doing it, the lead actress that I had been advertising on the radio, R&B singer, had a hit song on the radio, didn't show up. So when she didn't show up for the show in Chicago that I had been promoting her as being in, Madea had to go on stage a lot longer, so I had to extend the jokes. At the end of the show, I walked out, I'll never forget it, walked out and apologized for her not being there. She's not here, the audience is going, we don't care, we don't care. So just wanted more Madea. But the minute people stop coming to see this, that old broad is dead, man. I'm telling you right now. I'm killing that bitch. I'm telling you, she is dead. She is dead. But people love it, right?
But right now, she's still raking them in.
As long as people want to see her, she'll be around.
You really, man, lady just died.
Just died.
But man, they coming in groves, man.